I take it this one's broken. Yeah, he don't work. Okay, well, we're riding this one. To point out for this one actually has new doors. And I think like it got rebuilt in some way. As for this one though, this one's not really any different. Jesus. I hate peely doors. It's gonna open up on the back side on one. I'm pretty sure there's a loading dock down here. And it's open. Sort of. Beep. Jesus. This one's fine. It runs decently well, so. There's some of your information. We'll do one more. My God. I'm gonna end on 3 because I want to show something. These elevators are underrated. Pretty sure the Home Depot's on this side. Jeez. I hate peely doors. I don't hate them, but I just do in different ways. And here's something I wanted to show on this floor. The call button's different on the other one. See? I just realized I can't get off up here. So I'm going back up to 4 and getting off there. I guess that just goes into the Burlington area. I would check out Home Depot for smoke alarms, but I really don't have time for that. I got as much as I could today. I wonder if the emergency stop's pulled on the other one. It might. Let me see. Yeah, it doesn't work. Okay, well, that's it.